Are you concerned you may not have enough savings for retirement? Are you worried your savings will be reduced to a point where in the future you will need to rely on government assistance, which will only allow you a basic existence? I can provide you with free videos on how to create a passive income, which can provide you financial security during your retirement. Click on the Life Change button. Just enter your name and email address, and I will send you the free videos. I too was concerned if I have enough savings to enjoy my retirement. Worried if I'd be able to afford any medical expenses that may come. While searching the internet, I stumbled across a group of entrepreneurs with information about setting up an online business which can provide a passive income. The entrepreneurs are providing mentoring on setting up an online business from scratch. The entrepreneurs, who have more than 10 years digital marketing experience each, have helped thousands of people set up an online business that provides them with the laptop lifestyle of a significant passive income and time freedom. I believe digital marketing can provide you with a passive income to not only supplement your savings, but may also replace your previous income. Also, digital marketing can possibly lead to earlier retirement. I had good employment before I was traveling the world, living the 5-star hotel lifestyle. Unfortunately, unemployment came to a sudden stop in March 2020, which happened to thousands of people throughout the world. I'm in my mid-60s, and education by going back to a college or university is not an option. I was concerned because of my age and my work being specialized that re-employment is really extremely difficult. However, the online monitoring can help you set up an online business from scratch to help create your online business quickly and efficiently with extensive shortcuts. If you'd like more information on how digital marketing can provide a passive income, click on the Life Change button on my right. Enter your name and email address, and I will send you free videos to give you an insight into digital marketing. With a passive income, you can not only achieve the benefit of financial security, but you can also attain the benefit of time freedom. With the advantage of financial security and time freedom, you will be able to spend more time with your family, children, and grandchildren. You may also be able to travel the world, visiting countries that you've always wanted to explore for extended holidays, which will allow you to experience the culture fully. Enjoy your favorite sports and enjoy the fruits of your hobby. Don't think you are too old. Like I said, I'm in my mid-60s and I feel I have quite a few years left. The step-by-step modules and the community of like-minded people will guide you through the technical setup of the online business. In addition, your online business can be set up to be fully automated. By fully automating your business, you can earn money while offline or even sleeping. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Be part of the new era. Digital marketing has become a billion-dollar industry. Do yourself a favor. You have nothing to lose. Click on the Life Change blue button on my right. Enter your name and email address, and I will send you free videos. The same free videos that helped me decide that digital marketing is for me. You may decide that a digital marketing adventure is for you too. Remember, the secret of achievement is getting started. Get ready to click the Life Change blue button to go to my website and receive the free videos.